Hello everyone, again welcome. Hope you're enjoying this video. Before video we showed you very different and amazing designs. Thank you for coming here. We will try to bring for you that amazing and unique designs like pistachio shell and seashell. So seeds of beans, lentil, rice, corn, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds can all be used in creative projects. Artists arrange seeds to create portraits, landscape, abstract art and decorative patterns. First sketch your designs on paper or cardboard. Then carefully glue different seeds based on their size, shape and colors. For example, rice for fine detailing, beans for bold patterns, lentil for filling spaces, sunflower seeds for texture. These arts require patience, but the final result looks incredibly unique and natural. These crafts are not just fun, they also teach creativity, recycling and patience. They are great for school projects, home decoration and handmade gifts. Plus, turning waste into art helps reduce unnecessary trash. Which art style did you like the most? Seashell art, pistachio shell art or seeds art? Let me know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for your amazing response. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next many videos, very crafty, beautiful ideas. If you have ever visited a beach, you have probably collected seashells as souvenirs. Instead of keeping them hidden in a drawer, why not turn them into art? Photo frames. You can use seashells to create photo frames, mirror borders, wall hanging. And also you can make very beautiful X-Mix tree as we shown you in this video, candle holders, jewelry pieces, decorative flowers, and you can visit our channel. We have shown very beautiful X-Mix tree. So you can find in our channel. Start by cleaning the seashell properly, wash them with water and let them dry completely. Next, arrange them on cardboard, wood or canvas. Try different patterns before gluing them permanently. For example, small shells can form flowers petal while larger shells can become the center design. You can paint them in bright colors or keep their natural look for a beach-inspired aesthetics. Seashells art brings a peaceful ocean vibe into your home. Now let's talk about pistachio shell art, one of the most surprising DIY trends. After eating pistachios, they have many benefits. Most people throw away the shells, but these tiny shells can become a stunning artwork. First, wash the shells to remove salt and dirt. Let them dry. One of the most popular pistachio shell craft is making flour. Take cardboard or wooden base, start gluing and shells in a circular pattern. Layer them carefully until they resemble a rose or flower. You can paint them red for roses, yellow for sunflower or any color you like. People also use pistachio shells for wall decorations, jewelry, boxes, greeting cards, candle decorations, mini sculpture. It's amazing how waste materials can turn into something beautiful. Seeds of bean, lentil, rice, corn, sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds can all be used in creative projects. Artists arrange seeds to create portraits, landscape, abstract arts and decorative patterns. First, sketch your designs on paper or cardboard. So, अब तक के लिए इतना ही. मिलते हैं next video में. Relaxing story about jute and many more things like that. Because creativity heals silently. Creative activities help reduce stress hormones. They improve focus, they help anxiety calm down, and they create happy feelings inside the mind. So if you want to watch more designs like this, don't forget to subscribe. So I want to tell you about a story about mental health, mental healing. Every evening after the sun disappeared, behind the rooftop, an old woman named Sophia would sit beside her tiny wooden table near the window. On that day was a small basket. Inside the basket were hundreds of old buttons. Some were shiny, some were faded, some were tiny like pearls, and some were large vintage wooden buttons collected over many years. Beside the basket sat rolls of natural jute rope, pieces of burlap, fabric dried flowers, and old woman scraps. The other people, they looked like useless things, but to Sophia, they were pieces of peace. Years ago, Sophia used to feel constantly worried and restless. Life became loud, her mind became crowded with stress, sadness, and endless thoughts. She tried many things to feel calm again. But one rainy afternoon, while cleaning an old cabinet, she accidentally found her mother's sewing box filled with buttons. The moment she touched those tiny colorful buttons, memory returned softly like music. She remembered childhood afternoon warm tea, old dresses, handmade blankets, and peaceful moments with her mother. That day, she tied a small piece of jute rope around an old glass jar and glued tiny buttons around it, simple, imperfect, but beautiful. And for the first time in a long while, her mind became quiet. This is the hidden magic of crafting. Crafting slows the world down. When hands begin creating, the brain slowly relaxes, the stress inside the body becomes lighter. The heart breathes more peacefully. Button crafts and jute crafts are especially calming because they use natural textures and gentle, repetitive movements. The feelings of arranging buttons one by one, wrapping jute carefully around wood, choosing colors slowly. All of the helps calm anxious. And many people don't realize this, but crafting can become emotional healing not because it removes problem instantly, but because it gives the mind a safe place to rest. Sophia started crafting every evening. Sometimes she created rustic wall decor with buttons shaped into flowers and hearts. Sometimes she wrapped old buttons with jute rope, turned them into farmhouse decoration. And sometimes she simply sat quietly organizing colorful buttons into little glass bowls. Those peaceful moments became her therapy. No pressure, no noise, no rushing, only creativity. Soon neighbors began visiting her tiny home. They admired her handmade crafts. One woman asked, "How do your decoration feel so warm and peaceful?" Sophia smiled gently and replied,